I live here. What's your name? Alex. Not on the list.
Alex, bro. It's been ages.
Dude, I was gone for like 30 minutes. What the hell is this?
This, my friend, is Fridge, our apartment's most exclusive nightclub.
Dude, I'm starving, and these people need to get out of our kitchen.
Come on, it's fine. Have a drink. I got this.
No. They need to leave now. Did you consider me at all in this?
All right, everyone. Party's over. Everyone out. Be sure to check us out on Facebook. Tell your friends about Fridge.
Hey, Eric. I only came to this kitchen for 2 reasons. The bitches and the drinks.
I only came for the bitches and the drinks. Bitches and the drinks. Bitches and the drinks for the bitches came for the. I only came here for 2 reasons.
Thanks for this.
No. Thank you. By the way, someone pissed in your Cheerios.
Dude.
It's a hotel for dads. It's a hotel for dads. It's a hotel for dads.